Hi viewers, now we will see Golgi tendon organ. Okay, it is a sensory organ. It will detect the proprioceptor. Okay, what is Golgi tendon organ? It is situated near the myotendinous junction. Okay, fine. Some text told it is situated between muscles and tendons. Okay, fine. What is proprioceptor? Actually, Golgi tendon organ also called as the proprioceptor. Okay, what is proprioceptor? Which responds to change in position of the body segment. Okay, if any changes in the joint position sense JPS, that will detected by proprioceptor. What is J receptor? J receptor also called as proprioceptor. Okay, fine. Any changes in position of the body segment, any changes in joints, that will detected by the proprioceptor. Okay, fine. Then what is the function of the Golgi tendon organ? Okay, fine. Golgi tendon organ, it is a protective organ. It will give protective mechanism of skeletal muscles. Okay, fine. When I am stretching given to the patients, that means I will stretch if in stretching two types are there, slow stretch and quick stretch. If I am stretching, slow stretch means if I am giving slow stretch, the afferent two fibers send impulses to the anterior horn cells of spinal cord. That impulses sent through the monosynaptic reflex. Okay, fine. That will inhibit the alpha motor neuron activity. Here, Golgi tendons are fired out, and it will inhibit the alpha motor neuron activity. Again, I am telling, when I am giving the slow stretch force in the afferent two fibers are activated and Golgi tendon organ fired out, that will inhibit the alpha motor neuron activity. So here elasticity component are maintained, muscle tone should be ended. We are giving hypertonicity muscles like that. This stretching, the slow stretching we are giving to hypertonicity, that means spasticity, like that patients we are giving the slow stretching. Okay, what will happen in quick stretch? If I am giving quick stretch or quick tap to the muscles, okay, that will improve the alpha motor neuron activity. That afferent impulses goes through the primary afferent fibers, that is 1A. Okay, in slow stretch means that is two fibers are activated. Here quick stretch is 1A fibers are activated. Okay, fine. Then it will 1A fibers it will stimulate the alpha motor neuron activity. Then muscle tone should be increased. Okay, this is monosynaptic reflex. That is in slow stretch auto inhibition mechanism. Okay, fine. What is auto inhibition mechanism? That means in auto inhibition mechanism, Golgi tendon organs are fired, then it will inhibit the alpha motor neuron activity, then improve the muscle tone. That means maintain the elasticity property of skeletal muscle. That is slow stretch. This is inhibitory autogenic inhibition. Okay, fine. Then monosynaptic reflex means quick stretch. When we are applying the quick stretch, then the alpha motor neurons will be activated. These impulses sent through the primary afferent fibers, that is 1A. Okay, 1A. This will improve the motor neurons activity. It will improve the muscle tone. What is muscle tone? Definition of the muscle tone: muscle fibers always slight contraction with good vigor and tension. This is known as muscle tone. Okay, fine. In clinical side, when we are seeing the patients, physiotherapist, I kindly request, first initially we have to check the patients are having hypertensity or hypotonicity. Well, that means spasticity or flaccidity. If patients are having spasticity, give me a slow stretch. Okay. If patients are having, give a quick stretch. That means if you are giving quick movement like this movement given to the flaccidity patients, I am giving slow movements. This movement is given to the spasticity patients. Okay, clinically you have to differentiate and you have to give the proper treatment to the patients. Thank you very much.